want to do a shout out for a great channel that I think a lot of you enjoy. She has some wonderful content. She's on the Pacific side of Canada, western side of Canada, and she calls her channel Nature Inspired Snips and Snap. And she actually has quite a variety of videos. She has some bushcraft, she has woods lore, she has just plain pictures and footage of going out in the woods of wildlife, coyotes, bears, deer, other small animals, stuff she observes when she's out there, and really has a nice wide range of stuff. She also has some nice logging equipment stuff on there, some skidders if you like that. I think she runs a skidder. Pretty sure she runs big old timberjack, a John Deere on there, and I don't know if it's hers or whose it is. She might tell us maybe in a video, but it's pretty cool, and I really wish you'd go check her out. Her channel, once again, is Nature Inspired Snips and Snaps. She has a little dog she takes with her. She cooks out in the woods. And I really think that it's a channel a lot of you would enjoy, her videos. She's in the northwestern side of Canada.